Morning, this is Ganapati Reddy from CSC department. Now I am going to explain a topic on IoT cloud based services using Xively. Here, IoT cloud platforms. We are going to discuss about these cloud platforms. They are mainly meant for data collection and analysis. And in our daily life, we are using IoT everywhere. That means in any application we are using IoT. We are habituated for using these IoT applications. Means where the applications or devices which are IoT. Here we using these applications which are based on IoT. Here the main problem is large amount of data is received by these IoT devices because we are using it everywhere and every application, so these devices generate a large data, and handling of this data and analyzing the data, it is a more demand in the field of IT, electronics and computer science. Here, for handling this large amount of data which is generated from IoT devices, I have some cloud platforms. Means there are many companies that provides a cloud-based platforms for these IoT applications. Here, mainly they are meant for storing and analyzing the data. Here, I'm providing some list of companies or enterprises that offers these storing and analyzing services. Here, for our IoT app, we can select any of the company cloud platform. Among those, the most widely used and important platforms are Xively and Embeds, ThingWorks, ThingSpeak, and Relay. Actually, it is Yeller. We are writing as Yeller, but we are pronouncing it from backwards. Relay. These are the prominent cloud-based platforms, mainly for data analyzing and storing of IoT. Coming to Xively, it is a commercial platform as a service, both for IoT and M2M devices. Here, by using this Xively platform, we can help solve various IoT related issues. Actually, it is an enterprise platform for managing and deriving the business values from these connected products or devices. It provides a cloud-based API. Here, mainly it tends to simplify the development process, and this Xively platform supports various technologies and various platforms like Android, Arduino, ARM Embed, C, and Java. Here, actually, this Xively is a patch-based platform. It's mainly used to capture the real-time data in the internet. And once its domain name is Cosm, which used to monitor the feeds. Xively is the latest domain name. Actually, it is a data aggregator tool on data mining website. Mainly, it is integrated into this IoT. And presently, this Xively is a part of the Google Cloud platform. And what is the use of these IoT cloud-based services? Means simply by using the Xively platform, various services such as collection of data, data points and messages and objects calculation and alert generation based on events occurs, that means triggers, and so it provides various services to the users in the form of feeds. Here, this is a diagram of IoT cloud-based services, how the data is collected and how it is stored and how it provides services. Here, the devices or the sensor networks which are IoT based or M2M based, means the IoT devices which are communicated, simply they collect the data and through the communication gateway, all the collected data from the sensors are sent to the communication gateway, and from the communication gateway, by establishing a connection to the internet using IPv4 or IPv6, the data is transferred to the internet IoT devices data, which is a context data, and that is stored in a database. That means database or a warehouse or whatever it may be, it's a cloud, and simply storing that data and providing the services from that data to the users in the form of alerts or whatever it may be, by using an applications or cloud applications or a web-based applications. Here, coming to Xively PaaS services, main is data visualization and representing the data in the form of plots, graphical plots, and generation of alerts, accessing to the historical data, and generation of fields, that means the real world fields or the fields of other persons. And this Xively, coming to HTTP based application program interface, this Xively is easy to implement on various hardware devices which are acting as clients to Xively web services. Here, these APIs connect to the web service for sending the data, and also provides logging services, sharing and displaying the sensor data to the users. Here, in the same diagram which I have said before, means what is happening at the cloud infrastructure, how the device is collecting the data and storing the data. Either there may be local files or collecting from various nodes. Already I have explained this. Here, this Xively, this platform mainly supports REST architecture and WebSockets, and also MQTT protocols that connects the devices to Xively cloud services. And this Xively platform supports various software development kits for Android, Arduino, ARM, Embedded, Java, C, PHP, Ruby, and Python languages. Here it is mainly a develop from thinking from developers' point of view. They can use various workflow prototyping mainly for deployment and managing the tools. Here, this Xively application program interface, mainly it enables the interface with the Python and HTML servers, and also this API is interface provides interface service with WebSocket server and WebSockets, and also it has an interface with remote procedure call. And coming to the services, various business service platforms that connects the products, including the collaboration products. Here mainly it aims for data collection across the internet in the real time. These are the Xively methods for IoT devices. Here we use the concept of users and feeds, data streams, data points, and triggers. Here data feeds is nothing but a data from a single location, which is from a device or device network. Here, street data streams, there are individual sensors associated with that location. That means a particular location based on latitude and longitude, what the data collected from the sensors we are called as data streams. And here, pushing or pulling. Pushing means automatic feed, and sorry, pulling means automatic feeds, and pushing we call it as manual feed. And coming to the Xively data formats, the number of data formats that enables interaction, data collection and services. And this Xively data, mainly it is based, or it supports the data in XML format, JSON format and CSV files. All know JSON means JavaScript object notation, and also we represent this Xively data we in the form of tables, spreadsheets. We represent in Excel, CSV formats, and number format with the text with comma separated values in a file which is CSV. Here, this Xively uses in IoT or M2M. What the Xively platform uses is public and private data access, data streams, data points, and triggers, and the creation of the various feeds and managing those feeds and visualizing the data. These are the main uses of Xively in IoT or M2M. So many companies are using this IoT platform.